When we talk about the concept of professional association, it simply means a typical organization which represents the individuals in a particular profession. Now, this profession can be of lawyers, this can be of engineers, or these can be of the bureaucrats. Now, what is the importance of the professional association? That it provides the resources and the support for its members in terms of training, advocacy, and also for the network opportunity as well. Now, it advocates for the policies and the regulations, or the policies and the regulations that benefits the profession as a whole. Now, it also provides the opportunity. It also provides the opportunity for the collaboration, or for the mutual support of its member, so that they can build a sense of community. Now, it also serves as a collective voice. It also serves as a collective voice for the profession, which represents the views and the interests of all the members in the organization. Now, unions on the other hand represents the workers in a particular occupation. Now, in the civil services, when we talk about the civil services, now they represent the government employees. They represent the government employees, that can be teachers, that can be bureaucrats, or any other public sector employees. Now, what is the importance of unionism? That it advocates for the rights and the interests of its members. It helps in the association with the employers regarding their pay scale, regarding the working conditions, or the job satisfaction as well. Now, it also provides a voice for the workers. It also builds a solidarity and the community. Now, unions often focus on the promoting economic justice, as well as reducing the income inequalities within the organization. Now, it also the importance of union is also the concept of the collective bargaining, which we will discuss later on.